Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful coconut shell crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start. Today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. So friends, and we were simple and warm. Coconut shell can become candle holder, flower pot, bowl, and cute decoration with a little creative. We can make our home look natural and beautiful. This is a simple, friendly idea anyone can try. Let's reuse, create, and decorate our home with love. Do not throw away coconut shell. You can turn them into beautiful home decoration. A little cleaning, some colors, and you're creative. You can create something special. Make candles, plant holder, or unique art piece from coconut shell. Small ideas can make big change in your home. Nature gives us so many beautiful things. I am using a coconut shell to create a lovely home decor piece. These simple materials can become a beautiful decoration with just a few steps. It adds a natural and handmade touch to your home. And viewers, the coconut shell is not just waste. It is a small piece of nature that can become part art. Clean it, decorate it, and add your own style. You can make beautiful items for your home without spending much money. Handmade decor brings a warm and unique feeling every space. Friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz.